Really going to get into it. I skimmed this page. Listen, when I was sleeping last night, in my dream, I got the number 11112, 1111 And so I'm laying in my bed. I haven't got up yet. And I literally typed 11112 in my browser. And this is the first thing that popped up. Is it? It's one of the first things that popped up. So I typed that in, and I actually did Google. And I go down here. I see homologene. What? I go down. Okay, it's not the first thing. But I saw this. It says human. That is really interesting. So I'm not going to make this long. This is a very short video. But I skimmed this. And it's really hard to understand. But basically what I can see in here is that this is evidence of them. I'm just putting them in quotes, right? Trying to figure out how to remake humans. That's what this is. That's what I gather. I mean, hello, I'm not trying to... What is going on here? Anyways, they've got tissue samples of all these different individuals representing different tissues. And they're looking on how to code the proteins. Like I said, proteins are always involved in changing the DNA. You have to have the protein. So this is just really weird and interesting. And of course it mentions the CRISPR. And look, human is so weird. Big old gene database. I remember years ago when I figured out what the RT-PCR test was, and I put it in a Rumble video. I figured it out just by my mind, you know. But it's a DNA test. And they're accomplishing like 3 things with it. 3 or 4 things. It's also a mini cupcake. It's a cupcake. It is a cupcake. Unfortunately. That's also my podcast. Breaking news, either 1 or 2, goes into that. Blew my mind when it finally got confirmed to me. It's a mini cupcake. But anyway, this is just interesting. So here it's talking about the gene bank and move. All of these mRNAs. So they're looking at, looks like they're looking at genes and then mRNAs to change them. These are letting you know if, I think this is letting you know if they found the protein to go with it. Anyway, just very weird, very interesting. Almost everything today goes back to the days of Noah. Don't trust your synthetic medicines. Don't trust your synthetic supplements, because they just want to change you into a new human. Period. Point blank, period.